Hello everyone, welcome to Cassandra's Chinese Food Kitchen. Today we are making marinated vegetables with lemon, a refreshing summer vegan recipe. I use king oyster mushroom, okra, and cognac. Cognac is low in calories and very filling. There's no fixed recipe, just use whatever vegetables you enjoy. For the aromatics, still Thai chilies, cilantro, garlic, and lemon. Just like in my previous seafood video. First, let's prepare the king oyster mushrooms. Cut them in half lengthwise. You'd better not to cut across the grain. Instead, slice them lengthwise into thick rectangular pieces. This gives them a chewier, meatier texture. Add the king oyster mushrooms and okra to boiling water. Don't cook them for too long or the okra will become too soft. The okra will float to the surface, so keep stirring to make sure it cooks evenly. Sometimes, adding and stirring the vegetables will reduce the intensity of the boil because they are still cold. Once the water returns to a full boil, and keeps boiling even while you are stirring. They are done. If you'd like the vegetables to cool down more, rinse them with safe drinking water or soak them in cold drinking water for a few seconds. While the vegetables are cooling, let's prepare the dressing. Crush the garlic, peel them, and then mince them. Cut the Thai chilies into small pieces. And cut the cilantro. Put all of them in a bowl. Add some soy sauce. Cut the lemon. Squeeze the lemon juice into the bowl. Add vinegar. I recommend using fruit vinegar. I'm using mulberry vinegar here. Add some sugar. Then add some water. My father prefers cool dish, so I use iced water. Mix everything well, then taste the dressing. If you think it still needs more seasonings, go ahead and adjust it. Make sure the dressing is flavorful. Cut the okra into pieces. The star-shaped cross sections look beautiful, and they can soak up the dressing very well. Now put the mushroom and okra into the dressing. Put the cognac into the dressing. This type of cognac comes fully cooked and is ready to eat. Some people prefer to rinse it before using, but I don't think it's necessary. Stir them for a while. And put a piece of lemon as a decoration if you want. Okay, now it's served. King oyster mushroom have a firm, springy texture. Honestly, it's my favorite mushroom. Both the knotted cognac noodles and the okra are great at soaking up the dressing. This recipe is flexible. You can easily change the ingredients to suit your taste. Tofu curd, lotus root, kelp, broccoli, or other mushrooms are all great choice. My family eats this almost every day recently.